Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert multiple bullet point in online in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then firstly, select the location, go to the insert menu, go to the table and insert 4 table on side by side. Now I am write something. Then firstly select the table, go to the bullet option and click bullet drop down menu. Now I am choose this bullet. Then press shift on your keyboard and select all border on the table. Then go to the border color drop down menu and select white color. Now here we can see insert multiple bullet point in online in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.